Radtke, who is a second grader reading Hiccups for Elephants.
Do you ever get the hiccups? Because the elephant in this story has the hiccups until Mouse shouts, "Boo!" The name of my story is Hiccups for Elephant. It was written by James Poe. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep, except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Chimp woke up. "I can cure those hiccups," Chimp said. "Stand on your head and eat a banana." Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Lion woke up. "I can cure those hiccups," Lion said. "Drink lots of water very, very fast." Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Zebra woke up. "I can cure those hiccups." Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mouse woke up. "What's all the noise?" Mouse asked. "I'm trying to sleep." "Poor elephant has the hiccups," Jim explained. Mouse looked elephant in the eye. "Boo!" he shouted. Everyone waited and waited. There were no more hiccups. "Works every time," Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep, except for Elephant. Achoo!